Hi and welcome to Cooking Around the World. Today we're gonna make a Moroccan dish. It's called a tagine because it's made in this clay pot and it's made in so many different ways, but today we're gonna make it with chicken and carrots. So let's start. You can make this dish in any other pot if you don't have the tagine. And we're gonna start with no heat, placing the chicken first. You can obviously work with any chicken part and you can make or put any quantity you would like. Then we're gonna add 1 onion chopped. You can add red or white onion or even shallots. And we're gonna add some olive oil. You can find all details and ingredients in the description box. Then you're gonna add the garlic crushed. Then you're gonna have to add preserved lemon. If you do not have the preserved lemon, you can add a half a fresh lemon. Next, in another pot, we're gonna add a little water, just plain normal water. And then we're gonna add a little drizzle of olive oil. In this pot, we're gonna cook the carrots halfway, just so it can cook easily in the tagine. Then we're gonna add the carrots, salt, pepper. Mix it well over medium heat. Cover the pot and let it cook for a few minutes. After like 3 to 5 minutes, you're gonna find that the carrots are softened. So you're gonna mix and let the water evaporate, and then we're gonna transfer the carrots over the chicken on the tagine pot. After a few minutes over low heat, the chicken will turn a little bit white. Then we're gonna add the spices. I added a little water just to help things cook. Then we're gonna add the salt. Don't forget, if you used the preserved lemon, use less salt. Then you add the pepper, coriander powder, ginger, and we're gonna finish with the turmeric. Then we're gonna mix well until all the parts of the chicken are coated with these spices. Then add some chopped parsley and coriander. If you can find fresh, it's the best. Add some drops of water. You need to add only hot water when the clay pot is cooking, so it won't break. And then you're gonna cover the tagine and let it cook for a while. After a few minutes, add the carrots on top. Don't forget to drizzle the sauce on top of the carrots so it can be tasty too. Cover and let it cook until all the water is evaporated. Don't forget to add the lemons. The tagine dish is served on the tagine, of course, and it's eaten with bread, with Moroccan bread. I will link the recipe of Moroccan bread below. I hope you liked this recipe and I hope you will make it at home. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.